सो देखिए साहब, यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू अ करंट कैरिंग सोलेनॉइड। सोलेनॉइड हम क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट इज सोलेनॉइड? सोलेनॉइड एक ऐसी और अरेंजमेंट है एक कॉपर वायर्स की, जिसके थ्रू हम जिसको हम क्या करते हैं, इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर्स को हम टर्न देते हैं इस तरीके से। ये देखिए, मान लीजिए मेरे पास वायर है, ये ऑब्वियस सी बात है, जैसे घर में वायरिंग होती है हमारी नॉर्मल वायर, तो वैसा इसके अंदर क्या होगा, कॉपर वायर होगा ही सही इसके अंदर की तरफ, ठीक है। तो ये इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर है। अगर इस इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर को किसी भी मटेरियल, प्लास्टिक, वुडन, किसी भी मटेरियल पर आप अगर इस तरीके से रैप कर दो बिल्कुल पास पास, तो जो अरेंजमेंट फॉर्म हुई, ये जो अरेंजमेंट फॉर्म हुई आपकी, ये देखिए, ये जो अरेंजमेंट फॉर्म हो रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, दिस अरेंजमेंट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, ये जो बिल्कुल पास पास है, इसी को क्या बोलते हैं हम, सोलेनॉइड। अगर इसको थोड़ा बड़ा बताना है तो आप देख लीजिए, मैं दूसरा वायर ले लेता हूँ, थोड़ा सा थिक वायर ले रहा हूँ जिससे आपको व्यवस्था समझ में आ जाए इसका अरेंजमेंट। ये मैंने वायर ले लिया, मान लीजिए ये भी वही इंसुलेटेड कॉपर वायर है, और मैंने इस पे रैप कर दिया इस तरीके से। तो ये जो सर्कुलर लूप्स बन रहे हैं, ये सर्कुलर लूप बन रहे हैं, और इसको कुछ अच्छी खासी लेंथ दे देनी है, ताकि ये जो इसकी साइज है, साइज का मतलब ये जो इसका डायमीटर बन रहा है, उस डायमीटर की जो साइज होती है जितनी भी सेंटीमीटर, उसके कंपैरिजन में ये लेंथ, यहां से यहां तक की ये लेंथ इस डायमीटर से बहुत बड़ी हो गई। तो ये जो हमारा तैयार हुआ, यही सोलेनॉइड है। आप चाहे इसको बाहर निकाल दो तो भी सोलेनॉइड कहलाएगा, इस पे रखो तो भी सोलेनॉइड कहलाएगा, ठीक है। तो ये जैसे अगर मैं बाहर निकाल दूं, तो बाहर निकालने पर, ये बाहर निकालने पर ये जो अरेंजमेंट है, तो अंदर की तरफ जो होलो हिस्सा दिख रहा है आपको, अंदर ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्रिएट होता है। ये आपको जो होलो हिस्सा नजर आ रहा होगा इसके अंदर, इसी के अंदर क्या बन रहा है, ये स्ट्रेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन जो मैंने डायग्राम में बना रखी है, और ये हमारी सिचुएशन क्या कहलाती है, सोलेनॉइड, ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज सोलेनॉइड? when an insulated copper wires are wrapped around an insulated conductor in cylindrical form very close to each other in such a way that its length is larger than its diameter, then this arrangement is called a solenoid. What is the purpose of solenoid? To create the magnetic field. How the magnetic field will be created? Since we know that whenever the current will be flown through a wire, a magnetic field will be generated. And we have already learned that whenever through a circular loop a current is flown, then a magnetic field will be created at its center in a straight way. For example, if this is the loop in that way, this is the loop in that way. So if I'll be flowing my current, so this current is flowing in that way, then magnetic field at its center will be created in a straight line. So if the current is flowing in circular wire in terms of anti-clockwise, so north pole will be generated. Similarly, if the current is flowing in clockwise direction, then which pole will be generated? South pole. So in front of you, if you'll see, then this is the clockwise direction, then magnetic field will be created at the center, and this is the clockwise direction. So what portion you will be able to see by right hand rule? This, opposite to the thumb. Opposite to the thumb, this portion will always act as a south pole. So this is south pole. This is south pole. And direction of magnetic field perpendicular to this loop plane, in whatever plane it is being kept, inside it perpendicular to this plane. So since it is going inward, that's why at the center we show the direction cross. Magnetic field direction cross. Inward direction, we use the symbol cross. Similarly, if the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, then by using right hand rule, if I'll move my fingers in the direction of the current, then the stress thumb will give us the direction of magnetic field. Since the direction of magnetic field is perpendicular to this loop plane outward, for outward direction we use the symbol dot. Dot represent what? Perpendicularly outward direction. So magnetic field for anti-clockwise direction will be outward. For example, this tip you can consider as outward direction, and this thing you can consider as inward direction. So if I say where the magnetic field coming out, this tip will be shown to you. So that's why it is dot. If you'll go inside, then which portion you will be able to see? This circular portion cross, Getting this? Now, since it is anti-clockwise, which kind of pole will be generated? North. So these things you need to remember. Okay, these are the prerequisite things which you need to study during this solenoid. Now, let's understand the solenoid concept. We have made the solenoid. Okay. Now, as the current will start to flow from positive terminal to negative terminal, so this current is going from inside and coming outside. So this is one of the loop. If the current is going inside and coming outside, if I'll move my fingers, where the magnetic field is being created in a straight line in this direction. So I have shown one of the magnetic fields. Similarly, this loop, from this loop, the current is flowing. So again, it is showing in that way, that way. It means each loop, since the current is going from inside and coming outside, that's why if I move my fingers, thumb will come in this direction, straight line. So all loop will create magnetic field, magnetic field, magnetic field. More the number of turns, more the magnetic field will be created. But for the counting, what we say, if this is the 1 centimeter or 1 meter wire, how many number of turns 1 meter is consisting? If it is consisting 3 loops, then whatever magnetic field is created, let's suppose is 3B. For the same length and for the same 1 meter, if I'll be creating more loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in 1 meter, how many loops now I have created? 7 loops. Each loop will be providing one magnetic field, because in each loop the same current I will be flowing. So for each loop, one magnetic field will be produced. So seven loops will be creating 7 times. So you can say overall, because of all together in 1 meter, they will be producing how much total magnetic field? 7B as compared to 3B. So if the more number of turns in unit cross section of it, in unit length of it, more the magnetic field. Less number in unit length of it, less magnetic field. So if this kind of arrangement is there, then we say what? A strong magnetic field would be created. So more closeness, more strong field. So per unit length, if number of turns are more magnetic field will be produced. We'll say more magnetic field will be produced. Getting this? Now, since magnetic field direction is in this side, so final loop will be producing the magnetic field outward. So an outward direction is said to be north pole, means in whatever direction thumb will be there, it will be showing the north pole, and this opposite will be showing the south pole. So final direction north is there. So that's why the magnetic field lines will be